Mashiki Ukhrul Zilagi newsletter asita ahanbata amasung maru oina tangkhulsingna lau khoiba amasung phauling ki thapak loisillaga pangthokpa mangkhap kumai ki matangda yangminasi. Thaina mamangai daki mangkhap asi tangkhulsingki maru oiba kumai ama oiki. Huchik loinama Christian onthokrashu agriculture habit ti hongdabaki kumai asi huchik fauba tangkhulsingna ningthina pangthoktuna leiri. Mangkhap asi chehi ki lau khoiba amasung phauling ki thapak loisingraba ki tungta pangthoknai. Atuki tamak khun ki matam khetnaba khra le. Khun ki village authority singna survey tauraga khun atuki lau khoiba amasung phauling ki thapak loisinarati khun atuki headman bu report pikhi loinana headman na mangkhap kumai matam lauthok pikhi kumai asi ki matam khetnaba khra leirasu khun loinamak July tha manungda pangthoknaki kumai asi ki primary objective ti yamwana lingraba phau amasung mahe marong mayam ato ngakpinaba ishwar bu propitiate tawpa festival oyi amasung yamwana tha ama ni thapak shuraga pothapa matam shu oyi Thaina ki matam dati mangkhap matam sida yumthong kutingda sha hakhi sha atu chadringai da ishwar bu thakat ki loinana prathana tawki Atuki tungda sha atu thongraga fachana iruraga ishai shaktuna amasung sha atu chaduna leiki. Atu matamda tangkhulsingna propitiate tawpa ishwar atu singhung leng haina khangnaki. Tangkhulsingki tamakti singhung leng asi Supreme Court oiki. Christian convert tawkhrabaki tungda propitiation rituals system si change tawki loinana church da shift tawki. Tangkhul ki Supreme Court singhung leng atushu Christian ki ishwar onthokki. Religious perspective that change tawkrapa khara leirishu social practices that change tawpa kaya leitaba kum uye. Sha hatuna yumthong kutingda sha thongba si huchik fawba ningthina practice tawtuna leiriye. Hoi matam te huchik ti khara tenthakraba kum uye. Huchik ti khun ayambana numit ani ahum khakta pangthoknariba kum uye. July tha si mangkhap tha ne haina tangkhulsingna khangnaye. July sida tangkhulsingna marang haina kawi. Marang tha ki mangkhap kumai si pangthokrati phauring rashu mahe marong tha rashu kanate hai pante haina khangnabage. Ayingba mapham ukhru kumba mapham tati mahe marong kaya thanate kumai ki tungda. Ani shubada kumchi coronavirus laina sina abnormal situation purak pibaga loinana yamna popularize tawhan kraba quarantine center ki matangda Ukhrul zilla ki situation haipet yangminasi Ukhrul amasung kamchong zilla da quarantine tawbasi phase ahum oina tawnaki ahan bada government facility centers the 14 days atuki tungda village community quarantine center the 14 days amasung aroi bada isha ki yumda home quarantine 7 days daughter 35 days quarantine tawkhrabugi tungda society da janghan khibani Siki system se extra precaution ama wina Tangkhul CSO singna shemkiba Tangkhul Coordination Forum on COVID-19 TCFC na puthokpani Government Facility Center dati MLA singna luchingduna organize tawkhipani Village Community Quarantine dati khun na organize tawkhipani Ukhrul amasung kamchong zilada khwaitaki chawba amasung yamba Village Community Quarantine Center si Ukhrul town ki sina oigadaba kum uyi Ukhrul Hunphun Village Authority ki makhada shamkhatba Ukhrul Hunphun COVID-19 Committee ki makhada 18 quarantine centers run tawtuna leiriye amasung more than 500 returnees centers sida quarantine tawkhraba kum uyi Sila anni sida fachana amasung hygienically Shempa Village Quarantine Center yengrati Bay Village Community Quarantine Center amasung Soraphung Village Quarantine Center asisu panba yare haina khalle Khun animak si chingai kentra ta lei Bay Village Quarantine Center sita miwai janirom lei amasung Soraphung Village Quarantine Center sita miwai kun khra hen lei